Welcome to SQL problem solving series. So we are solving the Leetcode problem here, an interesting problem which you can see, and this kind of problem it is asked a lot of many times into the interview. So let us see what is the problem it is telling, and this is a kind of a hard level problem. So you can find this kind of very much confusing at the very first instance, so do watch this video till the very end and see what is the problem it is saying. So we have this particular employee table, we have the employee id, employee name, the salary of that particular employee, and the department id in which the employee is working. And we have a department table here where it is the id is the primary key column for this particular table, and each row of this table indicate id of the department and its name. So id of the department and the name of that particular department. Into the very first table, that is the employee table, we just have a department id, and but in this table we have the department name also present. What is the output which we want? So a company's executives are interested in seeing who earns the most money in each of the company's departments. A high earner in a department is an employee who has a salary in the top 3 unique salaries for that department. So we just need to figure out a way to find the top 3 persons who are earning the most salary in each of the department. So we need to write a SQL query to find the employees who are the high earners in each department. And who are these high earners? They are the people who have a salary in the top 3 unique salaries for that department. So result the table in any order, so there is not a specific order in which we want the result to be in. So first of all, the output which we want is the department name, the employee name, and the salary which that particular employee is getting. So first of all, let us join both of these tables to get the department name and the employee name. So I'll just do a select a dot let's say name comma a dot salary, and I'll do a b dot name from employee inner join department on a dot department id should be equal to b dot id. So through this particular query, so from this particular query we'll be joining both of these tables so that we can get the department name also. So I'll just present the department name at the very first, because you can see into the output the department name is present at the very first column, and then the employee name, and then the salary of that particular employee. From the employees table we are just doing a inner join onto the basis of the department id. You can see here they mentioned, and the department name which they have mentioned. So we are just joining onto the basis of the department id, and here the id which is present in the very first column. We just need to mention here employee a and department is b. So you can see we have got the Joe name and his department is IT, and the salary which is getting. Similarly we are getting Henry's his department and the salary which is getting. So friends, we have got our desired table or the result on which we need to process. Now into each of the department we just need to find all those people who are getting the top 3 salaries, and those are the high earners as that is mentioned into our particular question. So friends, we'll be using the rank function, or rather the dense rank function, to get the top 3 salaries, because in rank function if the salary is repeated we'll be losing out on the employees. So we just need to find the top 3 people. We just don't want to lose all the numbers, because in rank function the numbers would be skipped, the rank would be skipped if the same salary is being earned by more than one person. So in that case the ranks would be skipped, but we don't want it here. We just want to get the top 3 unique high salary earners in each of the departments. So we'll be using the dense rank function function. So we'll be doing a dense rank over, so for each department we want, so we will need to partition our output onto the basis of the department name. So I'll just do here name and then order our rank onto the basis of the salary column. That should be into the descending order, and this is the rank which we are getting, and we will do a from and again hit the run code button. Should be over, and so you can see we are getting the same column names and the query it is being confused, so we need to figure this out. So this is the department name and this is the employee name. So into the outer query also we need to change this, so this should be department name and everything is correct. Friends, you can see we are getting the rank also 1 2 2. So you can see this is the thing which I was telling. So if you had used the rank function, so you can see both of these persons into the IT department, they are just getting the same salary. So the last rank or the next rank which would be given into the IT department, it would not be 3. If we had used the rank function, it would have been 4. So to get this 3 value, we had used this dense rank function here. So we are getting the correct output now. So from here we need to just filter out the top 3 earners from our department. So I'll do a select department name comma employee name comma salary from this, where rank should be less than 4. Then only we'll be getting the top 3 high earners from each of the department. And you can see we have got the correct output. So we also need to change these column names which are present here, because this is a constraint into the Leetcode whenever you are solving. So if you'll just see, we need to change the column names here. They have mentioned, so this only column name it should be present, so I'll just change them. So this should be department, the second column should be employee, and the third column should be the salary column. So that's it. Let us hit the run code button again. Friends, you can see we have got the correct output. So this was a kind of a hard level problem, so you can expect this problem into the real interviews also, because I have also faced this kind of problems a lot of many times, like finding the top 2 salaries, the maximum salaries, the second highest salary, these kind of problems under the rank function. So do like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you had found this video quite informational and useful, so meet in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.